and he is an authority on the family business management.
Give me a second. Last 30 years, he has been in the family business field and his research and everything also. He did his PhD from BITS Pilani. Right, sir, Dr. Merchant, how are you today?
I think he's settling down, so let him give some time to settle down.
He has been taking a lot of webinars for us. Yes, sir. How are you, sir?
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. All clear.
Your voice is a little low, in case that can be increased by some way.
Hello, checking the sound. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, doctor, you are audible. You're audible.
So Dr. Merchant has been taking a lot of webinars. Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You are audible now, sir. We are able to hear you. Please type in the chat window if sir is audible, and we'll be starting in a minute. Yes, sir. Mostly they are able to hear you. So Dr. Merchant is the Director of Global Family Management Business in SP Jain Institute. He did his PhD from BITS Pilani, 30 plus years of experience in teaching family business and doing a lot of research in the field of family business. He has been helping us in various BNI forums also. He's taking a lot of webinars for BNI across India right now. So Dr. Merchant, we run BNI in Jaipur North in Jaipur. We have members from BNI also joining in. Roundtable India, and also the Takshila Business School students and alumni are here. Dr. Merchant, can you speak? I cannot hear you.
No, I guess you can hear me.
Yes, sir, we can hear you now.
Yes.
Right. So the topic for today would be on family business, how it has been growing out and how the structure is, the key qualities and the changes, what you said. So we'll do the same format what we did last time, around 45 minutes of speaking time and maybe 5-6 questions.
Okay, perfect.
Around 45-50 minutes of speaking, and then we'll take 4-5 questions.
Perfect, perfect.
Something which will work out. And we'd like to thank you from BNI across India. You have been helping us. Yesterday, I think you had, and tomorrow again you have in Ranchi.
Yes.
You are taking a webinar there with Ankit. So, and Nagpur last week you took. So that is something which has been.
BNI is a good platform. All young, enterprising, enthusiastic people participating. Everybody has a dream. Everybody is ready to work hard. It's nice to be interacting with such dynamic people.
Yes, so we run BNI in Jaipur, North in Jaipur. So we have members from BNI in Jaipur. Yeah. And Takshila is all the students and our professors from Takshila are here now. So we'll start the talk now. I think we are at 6 o'clock. People have already joined in. We have 165 people. And let's go and start. Yes, sir. All your stages, all yours, please.
All mine?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So last time we talked about.
We'll make you host so that you can run your presentation. I think you're already co-host. We'll be disabling the chat right now, and in middle we'll start it again as and when it goes.
Sorry, can I go ahead?
Yes, sir. Please.
Okay. So we had a nice talk last time about applying critical thinking in business. Now, our whole discussion is going to be more about family managed business. Family managed business के बारे में ना बहुत बात होती है. A lot is being talked about, and most of the time it is about bashing. तुम सब मरने वाले हो. All family business are going to die. They are unprofessional and they are unethical and there is nepotism and all kind of things. ये खाली यहाँ पे नहीं है, ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड में ये डिस्कशन है। ये एक स्लाइड है, शर्ट स्लीव टू शर्ट स्लीव्स, बाकी सब दूसरी लैंग्वेज में लिखा है, पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है। एकदम नीचे आ जाते ना, हवेली की उम्र 60 साल, द चिल्ड्रन ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन आर इनडिफरेंट। अभी ये सब क्या है? एक प्रोफेसर है जॉन वॉर्ड, IMD के प्रोफेसर है, इन्होंने ये सब इकट्ठा करके ये बताया कि फैमिली बिजनेस बहुत लंबा नहीं टिकते। एंड फ्रॉम देयर अ सेइंग स्टार्टेड, इट बिकेम सो फेमस, सो फेमस, सो फेमस that after some time.
Parimal sir, 1 minute. Bhavani sir, if you can disable the annotates, because someone is playing with the annotates here, if you can disable that so that no one can work on that. Disable it for the participants. Parimal sir, just give me a minute. We are just setting the annotates.
I understand, right.
Someone is like playing with that, so we just disable it out.
So when you are ready, do let me know.
In a minute, sir. Just we are just working. Bhavani sir, whenever it's done, please inform.
Whoever is doing this is very creative.
Yes, this annotates has to be stopped out. So
no, is no part of life. Everybody has their own way of expression. It's perfectly all right. Good.
Bhavani sir, please disable it out. Disable for everyone. I don't think sir requires it. Sir,
no, I don't need.
Yes, so disable it for everyone.
आपने ये सेशन कंपलसरी रखा है क्या?
नहीं सर. There are people from and Takshila and everywhere also.
So everyone who has come here come by choice.
Yes.
अच्छा. Done. I think it's done. No.
Bhavani sir, is it done? If you can remove this and clear it out. We'll be able to see in the log and find out who's doing it. So, but let's see if it can stop out right now. So what we will do is maybe in a minute or so, let them do the presentation. We'll stop the presentation. You can stop talking and we'll at the back end do the removing of this.
Okay, done. So the whole talk has been going on everywhere. First generation starts the business, second generation consolidate, and third generation closes down. So I was doing research for my PhD. So then we had to find out. And in PhD research, what happens? You have to go deeper into the subject. So I was always wondering that Aditya Birla did business very well. And incidentally, he was third generation of someone. And Kumar Mangalam Birla also did business very well. He was also third generation of someone. So this whole talk about first generation, second generation, third generation, kidhar se aaya? And then there is also very important thing is that whenever there is a bashing of the family business, they talk, usne business band kar diya, they close down the business. My grandfather was in the business of coal. उस टाइम घर में लोग सिगड़ी जलाते थे. There was used to be a coal-fired cooking medium. So he was selling coal. Now, over the years, it changed and people started using cooking gas. So I started supplying cooking gas. Now, if somebody comes and asks me, तुम्हारे grandfather का business क्या था? Coal. वो business क्या हो गया? I say it is changed into gas. नहीं, coal का business क्या हो गया? बंद हो गया ना? हम तो बोलते ही थे third generation closes down the business. So actually, as we go to see is, there is a lot of myth about family business. And that is where, if we can look into it, the things are, then perhaps we can find a very, very different way of learning. So look at what is happening it. Family business तो मान लिया चलो 50, 60, 70, 80 साल में बंद हो जाते हैं. But what happens to other companies? Now, this is something from a book called The Self-Destructive Habits of Good Companies by Jagdish Sheth. What does he say? 1982, there is a book written In Search of Excellence. In this book, 62 companies were shown is a path-breaking company. Everybody must learn how to do management from these companies. In 1982, I was quite young, just started getting into the work, and all of us were prescribed this book, In Search of Excellence. By 1992, just within 10 years, most of the companies out of these 62 excellent companies were either closed down or were into problems. 1970 mein, this Fortune makes a list of Fortune 500. These are the most leading companies of the world. 1970 mein, whatever was the list, 1/3 of them were vanished by 1983. Japan or Europe ke baare mein people talk a lot, but the data about the businesses there is average life is 12.5 years. And same you can see in Europe happening in the companies. So it is not that only family businesses go through this. In fact, the whole part is family businesses are more likely to survive than non-family businesses. Hota kya? ICI was a company formed in the time of Britishers. It was a UK company. Wherever Britishers went, ICI also went. For Britishers, ICI was a preferred supplier. So ICI did phenomenally well, 300,000 employees. As British Empire went on collapsing, so did ICI. You may be surprised that ICI, which was once upon a great company in UK, was purchased for pittance by one businessman in Pakistan. The whole point was companies established with some rules of the game. And when rules of the game changes, the company goes down, whether it is family business or non-family business. Kodak started as a family business, eventually became a non-family business. And then once the situation changed, the whole world moved from photographic paper to digital photography, Kodak goes bankrupt. The point is, family firms generally do better than non-family firms. So this is also data from somewhere. No need to read everything. More or less, it is like this, that it is a proven research study, of course, selectively picked up to show that family firms are more profitable and they do better. We pura jo situation hai na, this is something that we have to understand. Family businesses outperform non-family business. Aziz Premji was in the business of oil. He was also into the business of soap. You might have know the product called Santur. It's a soap. Abhi soap goes into category of FMCG, and Hindustan Unilever is in the category of FMCG. So was Aziz Premji. Hindustan Lever Company was a tower. Aziz Premji was a small town. Now, when opportunity came about exploring business in IT, Hindustan Unilever cannot change. We are into FMCG, we have to remain into FMCG. But a family business can change. So Aziz Premji gets into hardware business, not do that well, but by that time comes up software business, and that is where he becomes among the richest in India and known to you and me. Now, why is it? Because there is something that is very unique in family businesses. They can navigate. Non-family business can't. Sunil Mittal was in the business of cycle part. From there, he goes and gets opportunity, so shifts into the business of pharma. For that business is in Taiwan, and there he gets to the technology of push button telephone. So he starts making push button telephone in India. And by the time the telecom spectrum is being auctioned, and he gets into it, and that is how Airtel is born. Now look how they can change. So for sure, family business outperform non-family businesses. A lot of research has been done to talk about how family business fail. They don't tell about other companies also fail, but only focuses on family business fail. And very little research is done about why do family business succeed? Why do they do so well? And this is where is the whole idea. We will discuss these three aspects. The first aspect क्या होता है? Ownership identification. It means the business and the owner, they fuse together. For owner, this is his personality, his dream, day and night. The entire commitment is that. And that results into many things. He can decide very fast. Aziz Premji, if he was a manager into a FMCG company, could have never taken a decision of going into software. But because he was owner, he can decide. Now, this is an advantage. They can decide very, very fast. Mr. Nagesh of Shopper Stop had come to our college once, and he was explaining that in mall, there was a particular area, and they went to discuss about taking it over. They went, discussed, and now they require approval of their board to approve for this. After that goes Kishore Biyani, just standing across the table, takes a decision. By the time these people come back, he's already gone. This fast decision can be taken because he's the owner. If it goes right, he will earn. If it goes wrong, he will face the music. So because the owners are, business is one, they can take decisions very fast. Second thing क्या होता है? Unilever, the chairman changes every 5-10 years. The chief executive changes every few years. In family business, the same person remains till death. Advantage क्या होता है? अगर 20 साल पहले भी कुछ हुआ था ना, वो भी मेमोरी में है. 10 साल पहले कुछ हुआ था, वो भी मेमोरी में. 5 साल पहले हुआ था, वो भी मेमोरी में. What worked, what did not work, a person knows. In other company, people go on changing. The new person does not know what was done earlier. So this is called advantage of memory. When there is a family business, the owner is visible in front of you. लोग देखते देखो भाई owner आया. And whenever there is an owner around, there is an aura, there is a certain kind of seriousness, there is a certain kind of business kind. It is said like this. You know, I'm in college, so we can make some jokes about college. When the professor is not there, the classroom has a very different kind of environment. The moment the professor comes in, the order changes. There is a saying, जब बिल्ली नहीं होती है ना, तो चूहा भागते हैं. जैसे बिल्ली आती है ना, सब चीज हो जाता है. This is applicable to family business. Because owner is visible, he may not do anything. But just because he is visible, many things changes as a culture in the company. And finally, owner doesn't work 9 to 5. There is a big school of thought talking about work-life balance. They can keep talking. Family business will go and attend the seminar, but will continue to the way work. 24/7, aankh aur kaan, alertness, sharpness remains. This is the reason why family businesses will do well. Then there is a tremendous amount of emotional asset. Now, emotional asset is very different from economic asset. अभी normal college में और ये सब तो हम economic asset के बारे में जानते हैं. But emotional asset means what? Something in which relations, something in which about the energy, enthusiasm, vision, wanting to do so many things that they have invested in it. And it is these assets, one, family business invest a lot in emotional asset. कोई तकलीफ में, we go out of the way. But it doesn't make economic sense. Forget about it. बाद में कमा लेंगे. Now let's do it. Now this kind of decision, family businesses can talk. Other kind of organizations have a difficulty in doing it. This sense of ownership क्या होता है in family business gets institutionalized. So even a peon working in the company, if he notices कि कोई आदमी चोरी कर रहा है, he feels as if अपना चोरी हो रहा है. वो जान पे आके लड़ेगा. Now the whole culture of sense of ownership gets built into family businesses. And finally, एक चीज होती है ट्रांजैक्शनल रिलेशन और दूसरी होती है फंडामेंटल रिलेशन. पूरा जो वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड है ना, they come from a very different mindset, particularly developed in last 100 years. But the Eastern mind, which has been there for 1,000 years, has a different mindset. Japanese company के साथ में अगर आपको धंधा करना है, they will take long time before starting with you. But once done, now is a tide. If you have problems in quality, they will send their people to help you to resolve quality, to make sure that you upgrade so that relation is maintained. From a Western mindset comes a concept called reverse auction. We may have whatever kind of relation. आज की तारीख में कौन सस्ता देता है, we'll go there. Go, but that relation doesn't come, and then nobody goes out of the way to help. So this all one aspect of family business, which is the reason, whether you agree or not, family business will do well. Then there is a second aspect. It's called unconventional. पूरी दुनिया बोलती है कि अभी के टाइम में ये नहीं करना चाहिए. And family business will say, चलो करते हैं. बहुत पहले, almost 100 years ago, एक फैमिली बिजनेस था, नाम था सीयर्स. रॉबर्ट सीयर्स करके एक लड़का था, उसने बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया. और क्या उसने प्रपोजल दिया? मेल ऑर्डर मटेरियल इज गोइंग, एंड ही सेड, इफ यू आर नॉट हैप्पी, रिटर्न द मटेरियल, नो क्वेश्चन आस्क. Now all the managers started objecting. What are you doing? People will go on returning just like this. Because he was owner, he could talk about a counter decision. दुनिया ऐसे जाती तो हम ऐसे जाएंगे. Will we survive? I take a call. This is what is called counter cyclical decisions, which only an owner can take. Every company, there is one marketing head. He will talk about only marketing, and what marketing requires, give a variety of products. Then there is an operation head. He will talk about operation excellence. What does it require? Large production runs. And then there is an HR head, and there is a finance head. Now each of them want expertise in their field. That is called local optimization. And the point is, whenever there is a local optimization, it is always at the cost of global optimization. So because a marketing person is concerned about his sales target, he may end up promising moon to the customer, and now production people have a tough time to deliver. But in family business, there is a holistic thing. He is responsible for marketing also and operations also. And that is why family businesses are bound to be far more efficient. A simple question. Why do automobile companies outsource production to ancillaries who are all family business? So question comes. Automobile companies have so much of capital, so much of technology, so much of know-how, so much of management capacities. How can a family business guy produce more efficiently than the company? The fact is unacknowledged. But the fact is, family businesses are far more efficient because of this holistic perspective. There is a whole idea about risk. How much risk we can take and how much we cannot. Because family business, the whole thing comes from his own pocket. He has a very, very different mindset than someone who has to take a decision, and if something goes wrong, somebody else makes a loss. If you are a fund manager working in a company, you can take a decision about investing money of somebody else. Something goes wrong, at the most you will be sacked. But if you are investing your own money, something goes wrong, you will be destroyed. So the whole way of looking at risk, one hand, they do take risk. On the other hand, they are very, very conservative in taking risk. So how do family business people take risk? There is a saying, do what appears risky, but remove the risk out of it. हमारा एक स्टूडेंट है फार्मास्यूटिकल के पार्ट बनाते हैं. Yesterday I was talking to him, can he set up operations in UAE, Dubai and all the market here? Because from here he can export anywhere in the world. Now, is it a risky thing? आप तो इंडिया में बैठे हो, दुबई में कैसे बिजनेस चालू करेंगे? लेकिन फैमिली बिजनेस वाले क्लियर है, बोलते हैं फर्स्ट आई विल अपॉइंट अ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर. I will see that my market is flooded with my product. I will sell cost to cost. I will even ready to take some loss. Once the market is built, then I will set up factory. This is called managing the risk. दुनिया समझती है आप इंडिया में बैठे हो, आप दुबई में धंधा करोगे. But family business person will remove the risk by first appointing a distributor, first developing a market, then setting up the factory. This whole aspect that family businesses have about relation building, I already explained to you. They talk about relation building. Non-family business people talk about reverse auction. But other companies also have a big handicap. They have to give quarter to quarter performance. आज Corona time hai, when the companies are into shambles, still the chief executives have to be worried. Q1 का performance कैसे आएगा? In normal scenario, every quarter you have a budget and you have to perform. Now this is called orientation in the present. It has tremendous amount of limitations. The real strength is family business people have also to think past में क्या हुआ था और future में हमको क्या चाहिए. So for them, today is only an investment. For non-family companies, today is the only thing. For family business, today is only an investment. Their learning is always from the past. Their horizon is far away in future. And this makes a very, very big difference. And the third thing is, there are two things in life. One is something called problem. Material में rejection बहुत आता है. There is a problem. Let's study, let's go to root cause analysis, why it happens, and work out a solution to it. And there is something else that is called paradox. इसका कोई solution ही नहीं है. I am into a family and my uncle has a nature of getting angry on anyone. Now, there is no solution to it. अंकल को समझा दो, चिल्लाना नहीं चाहिए. अरे ऐसे बोलने से कोई समझ थोड़ी सकता है. He is not getting angry by choice. It is his habit. So what I have to do? There is no solution. We have to live with it. This is something called paradox. Family businesses learn to live with paradox. We are working with all kind of things. Family mein, we have to take care of everyone. In business, we have to take about performance. In family, young person gets ready, we have to start thinking, wo dhande mein kaise aayega? In business, we would say, we want people only if there is a vacancy. So these two kind of thing, a family business wala hamesha manage karta rehta hai. Those people who have not seen family business people working, they think कि ये ना एक गाड़ी है, उसको घोड़ा opposite direction में खींच रहा है और बेचारा फैमिली बिजनेस वाला ना इधर का ना उधर का. This is a comment given by a spectator. जो एक्चुअल में फैमिली बिजनेस है ना, उसने इतनी अच्छी सुपर कैपेसिटी डेवलप की है, वो फैमिली को भी मैनेज करता है, बिजनेस को भी मैनेज करता है. एंड दैट इज व्हाई फैमिली बिजनेस पीपल हैव एन एबिलिटी टू मैनेज कॉन्ट्राडिक्शंस. एक बहुत आदमी है, बहुत कैपेबल आदमी है, हमारा प्रोडक्शन पूरा संभालता है, बट ही गोज ऑन अब्यूजिंग, किसी को भी गाली देता है. अभी इसको संभाल के रखना, दिस इज समथिंग टॉलरेंस फैमिली बिजनेस पर्सन विल सी, बिकॉज अगर ये है तो दिस मच कैन बी डन इन फ्यूचर. दिस टॉलरेंस, कीपिंग पीपल, हो गया, आगे चल के देखो, all this kind of terminology and vision comes habitually, naturally to family business. All those who are born in business families, it is said like this, जो family business, जिसके घर में family business है, the family business is in their blood. Now, actually, if you go and take sample of the blood, it may look similar, but it is a metaphor. What is the real meaning is, as you grow up from every day in a family, business family, new scenarios are there. One day there is a big joy, order mil gaya. After a week, there is a big crisis, material nahi hai. Third day, there is a crisis of cash flow, किसी को 2 करोड़ कल पेमेंट करना है, कहां से आएगा पता नहीं है. After 5 days, we have a surplus cash. Now, as the children growing up in family business, they've seen all ups and downs. It is said like this, people who grow up in family business, particularly the wives and the children, they develop a good skill, that is got a skill of face reading. Looking at the face of the father, they can make out, आज इनसे कुछ मांगना चाहिए या नहीं मांगना चाहिए. They can make out, आज कंपनी में टेंशन था और it was a good day. If it was a tension, everybody in the family will keep quiet. When it was a good day, everybody will be celebrating. So the whole family, they have learned to work with paradox. And what all kind of paradoxes with there? हमको ट्रेडिशन भी रखना है, बड़ों की इज्जत करो, हमको चेंज भी करना है, टाइम के हिसाब से चेंज करना है. एक जमाने में one family was selling dhoti. Then they started selling fabric. Then they started selling trouser. We will change, but we'll keep the tradition also. We are into business, so we have to make money. Take out money, but also invest money. We have to work for every individual, but group also is important. Family की first priority होनी चाहिए, business की priority होनी चाहिए. दोनों priority होनी चाहिए. Now all this, outsiders are shocked. ये family business वाला मर जाएगा. But those who are doing family business, to them it comes so naturally. लड़ते भी है और साथ में ब्रेकफास्ट भी करते हैं, हंसते हंसते बात भी करते हैं. Every day घर में fight होती है. And then they learn also to be together. And this is the beauty of family. Outside family, you fight with someone, break the relation. In family, you fight with someone, but no exit. You can't break relation. So you learn to keep relation. Now that ability, you can work with outside also. So we fought with someone and still we retain relation. This kind of ability is what gives them a very unique strength. Now, so far, I explained to you why family businesses outperform any other form of business. They are going to be there, they will be there, and they will be leading the India growth story. Now, there is something that has changed. I'm not talking about Corona. I'm talking about the way the world has changed over the last 20 years. And in this new scenario, just because you did very well in the past, there is no guarantee that you will do well in the present. So, क्या changes, challenges आती हैं? The first challenge is called life cycle challenge. This you and me and everybody faces. Every individual, when you are 10-year-old, the thinking, aspiration, expectations are different. When you are 20, thinking, expectation, aspirations are different. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Every individual, as you evolve in life, things change. Relations within family. Every family, as they grow, the relations change. Performance and potential of every business, as they grow, it changes. And what is the basic tendency of change? From simple, things become complex. When we were 10-year-old, our expectation, everything was simple. When we were 20, little more complex. 30, even more complex. 40, even more complex. Now, sometimes we all, and it is not only family business, though family business pays very heavy price, we all get frozen. If at the age of 20, I behaved in a particular way, at the age of 40, I should have changed. But if I don't, then I get into problem. So this life cycle changes is the issue. Second thing is generational dialectics. This is peculiar to family business. Hindustan Unilever, it doesn't happen. Hindustan Unilever, one officer, one manager at certain age retires, managers at another age are hired, and the organization continues. In family business, always multi-generation remains. And whenever there is a multi-generation, we need an ability to understand this. Once upon a time, apne ghar mein na, the way the environment was, it was by default. Today, वो थोड़ा कम हो गया, बाहर का glamour बढ़ गया. So we have started realizing this as a trouble area. I'll tell you, we are a college in Bombay and we are having a hostel and our college was growing. So now we require more hostel rooms. In Bombay, it's not so easy just to go and make a building. So we decided we will rent a whole building. Our dean told us, few of us, "Bhai, dekho andheri mein koi building mile to." We talked with some broker and all, and he showed us one building. Now I went to the building to see the building. 15-story building. It so happened that when I had gone, the light was off. Electricity was not there. So lift was not working. But I have come all the way. Koi baat nahi, main dikha deta hu. He showed me the building from ground floor. Now in Bombay, in ground floor, what happens? Buildings are so close to each other. No light, no ventilation. My God. Uske upar, somebody in the second or third floor, baal banaya tha, कंगी क्लीन करके they release the hair, और वो hair का cluster घूमते 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 जैसे हमने खिड़की खोली ना, warm welcome to the new building. What a messy thing. I came back and told our dean, "Sir, this is not good for us." He told me, "Look, in Bombay we don't have much choice." I said, "Whatever you say, this is not good for our students." As I was moving out, another professor was coming in. He didn't look at me, he looked at the dean and he said, "Sir, that building is fabulous." Main ruk gaya. "What building are you talking about?" It so happened he was referring to same building. I said, "Just now I told the boss that the building is lousy. And you want to prove that I am wrong?" He says, "Tu personal kyun le raha hai sab kuch?" I went to the building, I saw the building is fabulous. I said, "I told the boss, lighting ventilation ka ठिकाना nahi hai." He ignores me and looks at the boss and says, "Sir, excessive light and ventilation." I'm furious. Are you after my job? You want to prove that I am wrong? Then our boss cooled us both of down and he asked us to tell the story. So I told the story. I went there, electricity was not there, lift was not working. I was shown the ground floor. The other colleague said the story. He went to the same building, lift was working. He was taken to the 15th floor. From 15th floor, when you open the window, in 5-kilometer radius, there is not a single building more than 10-story height. So excessive light and ventilation and a panoramic view. The question is, who is right? He or me? And this is where the whole thing comes up. We have a tendency to believe that we are right, thinking that our view is the universal worldview. Whenever we discuss in the class, people tell me that, no, both of you are right. How can both of us be right? He says the building is very good. I'm saying the building is useless. How can both of us be right? But then active listeners and our students say, sir, both are right from their own angle. A person from 15th floor will see the world from one view, but will have no idea how the building looks at the ground floor. The person who is on the ground floor will see the thing from ground floor, but will have no idea how the building is from the 15th floor. Ideally would be what? That is what our boss did. The conclusion is that this is a building which in ground floor looks like this and in the 15th floor looks like this. अभी ये incidents तो हो गया. What is the learning for us? In a family business, a person who is a 55-year-old is like on 15th floor. He sees the world differently. The person who is 23-year-old who is entering the business is like ground floor. He sees different thing. Both of them think I am right, the other is wrong. The father thinks हमने इतनी दुनिया देखी है, तुम क्या कल का लड़का आके मुझे सिखाएगा? And the young person says that आपका जमाना गया, the world is in a different world. Actually speaking, both are right from their perspective. If a 55-year-old person begins to learn 25, 23 वाले कैसे सोचते हैं, and if a 23-year-old person begins to appreciate how a 55-year-old person thinks, then there is something called complementation. Generational difference, that is why it is called dialectic. There are different dimensions, it's bound to be. To pretend कि वो नहीं है is a useless exercise. A person who is a 50-year-old and a person who is a 25-year-old are bound to see things differently. The question is, if we learn to appreciate each other, then our difference is a complementing team that becomes our strength. And if we don't, then we call it conflict. And the third thing is, I am 60 years now. When I was very young, there was a movie, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna. Devanand was there and Zinat Aman was there and a kind of thing was there. In that movie, there was a set of characters were called hippies. Hippies means outcast, out from the society, useless, given up the world, living in a different world. They will take drugs and even the girls will smoke cigarette. Now, I was a kid. I saw. And what did we see? Girls, bad girls are smoking cigarettes. Abhi, wo to movie bhul gaya. But that impression remains in my mind. So today if I see a girl smoking, that impression reminds me that she must be a bad girl. Now, the whole question is, I know I'm intelligent enough to say that smoking is gender neutral. एक boy smoke करे, girl smoke करे, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? But my formation tells me that this is right, this is wrong. And this is the issue in a family. As you grow, when you grew, the life was very different. As it happens, the life is very different. तो फिर father और mother बच्चों को क्या बोलते हैं? You know, मैं तेरी एज का था तो हमारे तो फोन लेने का सपना भी नहीं था और आज तुमको हर 2 साल में फोन चेंज करना है. They are right because they are talking from their formation landscape. And our formation landscape influences our behavior, our thinking, our belief, and our worldview. And this is what we need to understand, that as the world around us changes, for us, the older people, we need extra effort to adjust to the changes. So when we say changes, what happens? There is something called adaptation, and there are 3 kinds of adaptation. One is called simple adaptation. दुनिया जो करती ना मैं भी वही करूंगा. भाई दुनिया बोलती है शहर में चले जाओ तो आई विल ऑल्सो गो. दुनिया से MBA करो तो मैं भी दुनिया से जॉब करो तो मैं भी जॉब. जो दुनिया बोलती है वो मैं करूंगा. दिस इज कॉल्ड सिंपल एडेप्टेशन. लैक ऑफ एडेप्टेशन मीन्स चाहे दुनिया कुछ भी बोले मैं तो वही करूंगा. कभी खुशी कभी गम. अमिताभ विल से हमारी परंपरा है कि हम ऐसा ही करते हैं. And whatever happens in the world, he doesn't care. That is called lack of adaptation. Abhi lack of adaptation eventually perish. And that is what happened to dinosaur. World was changing around, but they were so big. We will be like this. Eventually, they perish. That is one extreme. Simple adaptation is another extreme. It's called cockroach. Cockroach की क्या uniqueness है? Any kind of environment, any kind of temperature, any kind of atmosphere, cockroach will adjust itself to survive. So cockroaches have lived for millions of years. They adapt to whatever is happening around, but they remain cockroach. All those who want to change with the world as it is are like cockroach. They will go on changing, nothing personal. And those who don't change, like dinosaur, they will perish. So that is comes the third thing, growing adaptation. Growing adaptation means what? Some of the things that I will change and some of the things that I will retain, and I will use my discretion. And I develop wisdom enough to understand what needs to be retained and what needs to be changed. And young people need to be very clear. If at all there is any tradition at home, if at all there is any culture, if there are at all anything is going on, just don't throw it because you don't understand. एक simple example बता रहा हूँ. In Indian culture, there is a tradition of something called Shraddh. तो पढ़े लिखे लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Shraddh, you must know what it is, that this is a particular period after Shravan month, and that is where our ancestors are respected and some kheer is put and fed to the crow. Educated but unwise people क्या बोलते हैं? ये देखो हमने अपने ancestor को कौवा बना दिया, कौवा बन के आके खाएंगे. ये ignorant लोगों की arrogance है. Now come to me, I'll explain you what it is. It is a unique system in the world where all the generations of the family together celebrate respecting our ancestors, that we are what we are because of their struggle, their effort, their sacrifice. This paying tribute and acknowledging the role of our ancestors in building us and our responsibility to invest everything in building next generation is a unique culture of family building in Indian's environment. Now, just because you are young and you start taking coffee at Starbucks, it doesn't mean that you are intelligent. It's important to go into details to understand, to retain what is good and to adapt to the changing times. One simple rule I can tell you, whatever is happening in family, there is some or other reason behind it. Continue to follow it even if you don't understand. घर में पूजा होती है, continue to do it. घर में सिस्टम में बड़ों को पैर छूना, continue to do it. Even if you don't understand, continue to do it, because eventually you may understand the logic. And I can guarantee to you, last 23 years, 5,000 family businesses, my interactions, everything that happens in families, there is some reason behind it. It's good to understand the system, and that is called growing adaptation. Now, family business outperform, they are doing great. They have this whole idea of changing with the changing times. There are 3 challenges which are important for us today. I'm not referring to Corona time. Corona time is called comma. थोड़ा pause आता है, but it's not a full stop. Pause आता है, earthquake आता है, war होती है, earthquake हो जाता है. After some time, we start resuming life. But the changes that I am talking about are far more long-term changes. First and foremost, how to prepare the next generation for getting into business, हम लोगों को उतना आता नहीं है. 50, 60, 70, 80 years ago, it was very simple. Dhande mein aana hai, khatam. You cannot argue with the father. The father used to slap. Finish. Now with democracy coming up, we don't know how to groom the child. So the parents give up. I don't want to force on you anything. तुझे जो करना है कर. कुछ नहीं हुआ तो अपना घर का धंधा है. The son or daughter is now hopelessly going without being guided. Then who will guide them? Their friend circle. And what happens in a friend circle? एक अंधा दूसरे अंधे को गाइड करता है लाइफ में क्या करना चाहिए. The whole question is the next generation of family business has become radarless. They don't know what they need to do. अंदर से ऐसा लगता है फैमिली बिजनेस, लेकिन फैमिली बिजनेस में प्रॉब्लम बहुत दिखते हैं और बाहर की जॉब की ग्लैमर बहुत दिखती है. जब कोई डिस्क्राइब करता है ना, पता है गूगल की ऑफिस में ऑल काइंड ऑफ मेनू इज देयर एंड यू कैन हैव स्टारबक कॉफी एंड डोमिनो पिज्जा एंड एज मच एज यू वांट. इतना ग्लैमर लग रहा है. So young people tend to get attracted towards the external world and tend to get away from family business, which is one of the biggest challenge. जाते हैं, बाहर जाते हैं, जॉब भी करते हैं. थोड़े टाइम में ऐसी पिटाई होती है, they realize that it is not as glamour as I thought, और फिर वर्ल्ड टूर करके फैमिली बिजनेस में आते हैं. In the process, lot of time is wasted. If somehow young generation was excited, right from young age, 10 साल के ना तभी से एक ही सपना होना चाहिए. My job is I am born to take my family business multiplied. That's it. अगर मेरी ग्रोसरी की दुकान है तो क्या हुआ, वॉलमार्ट बना सकते हैं. अगर सब्जी बेचने वाले हैं तो क्या है, we can become a global supply chain of vegetables. This whole thing, that dreaming about doing great thing in youngsters in my family business is something we have a big challenge. We have another big challenge. Once upon a time, the business was done in a way कि market हुआ करता था. Market में all kind of drivers होंगे, मजदूर होंगे, they will speak any foul language, किधर भी urinate करेंगे. So we say, अच्छे घर की महिला यहाँ पे नहीं आनी चाहिए. And there was a lot of work at home. So the thing started. Men will go to business and women will take care of home. Abhi all the things changed. Business is not in the market. Business is on the laptop. I am in Dubai, but my work in India is as it is because it is through laptop. And laptop doesn't understand कि type करने वाला male है या female है. Business has become now gender neutral. Business has become space neutral. Business has become time neutral. In this changing scenario, what should be the role of family women? In family businesses, they have accepted the role of women. Women employees are there in all the businesses, but family women का business में क्या होना चाहिए is not, we have not given a thought. In business, we are in 21st century. Role of family women, we are in 19th century. There are 4 reasons why this is going to be very, very important. Women are getting educated. Women are proving performance in business. And with families becoming nuclear, if something happens to husband and wife does not know about the business, there is going to be a disaster. So there is going to be very important issues. We need to discuss is what are the apprehensions, what are the criteria, what should be done, what should be the preparation, how should one do it. But we need to bring this topic on active deliberations among the family business community. If it happens, the ownership stake manpower doubles in the entire family business situation all across the country. The moment we have redefined the role of family women in business, perhaps it will be a great turnaround for family businesses. And the last thing is, family business की एक सबसे बड़ी liability is the owner, because he is very, very capable, is so hardworking, has such a long history. Everything is here. It's called a hard disk. And the problem of hard disk is this cannot be replicated. So when we want to grow 10 times, सबसे बड़ा सवाल आता है, लेकिन घर में हाथ नहीं है, चलाएगा कौन? ओनर साइन द चेक, अगर हम साइन नहीं करेंगे ना तो बहुत फ्रॉड हो जाएगा। इतनी बैंकें कैसे चलती है जिसमें मैनेजर्स करोड़ों के ड्राफ्ट साइन करते हैं और कुछ नहीं होता? Because of a very, very capable and powerful founder or businessman, we became weak in understanding system and process. And that prevents us today from multiplying. So all family business have to learn, how will we develop systems for every process in our company? How will we develop the whole system of hiring people who are more capable than us and seeking accountability? With organization in place, we can multiply. आज एक factory है तो 10 कर सकते हैं. We are doing turnover 10 crore, we can do 100. But if organization is not there, जितनी फैक्ट्री बढ़ाएंगे उतना ओनर के ऊपर स्ट्रेस बढ़ेगा. And that is why before taking a jump, we need to learn organization building. So this is what is the scenario. Family business, the strength of the country. They do very well. They outperform non-family businesses. We discuss the reasons why they do it. Then we discuss the big issues involved in the front of us about the generation and about the new changes taking place and the need to adapt, where not to adapt. And we discussed about the challenges that is there in front of us. Thank you very much. It's an overview about the scenario of family business. And then now we can have any questions or anything about related to your understanding and your questions.
Right, Dr. Parchit, I'll just disable the chat and we'll take some questions. What
Okay.
do you think about, when I started the family business first conference I attended in ISB and all, and the major focus was on the will, as in people don't do a written will in most of the family business, and then it creates a lot of problems. We have seen in companies like Reliance, wherein without the will, the corporate war came out in open, the family workings and also. What's your view on those and how that is something which can be handled out?
Rajat ji, you went to ISB, you invested so much time and energy in learning about it. So I cannot give you a counter review. But Bal Thackeray did leave a will. And still there was a problem. There is one of the biggest solicitor company called Amarchand Mangal Das. They advise the whole world about making will. The mother, while passing away, did make a will, and there were serious problems. So will is useful, but is not a panacea. It does not solve all the problem. The real issue is understanding among the people. If there is understanding, without will also things will become smooth. If there is no understanding, it's so easy to challenge the will today. I believe I should be given more share. My father, my brother has got the will signed without his knowledge, and I challenge the will. There are hundreds and thousands of cases blocking chalk the courts of will being challenged. And once a will is challenged, it's 15-year process. I personally have been an executor to one will. Just the person told me that mere baad mein take care. Abhi will challenge ho gaya. Matter is 2015. We are in the court. Abhi tak to date bhi nahi aayi hai. 5 years and it date not has happened. I am told next 15 years and minimum 1 crore cost, be ready for it. So the point is, our whole problem is we want one answer to all the problems. That's not true. If there is a will, it simplifies a lot of things, but it doesn't mean it guarantees everything. So if you have not made a will, if you make a will, it will make many simple. But the real thing is grooming the next generation of mutual appreciation, family values, making sure that things are fair within family, which our elders used to ensure. In India, there was no system of will, but still the distribution was taking place because there was always an understanding of fairness. My job, मेरा छोटा भाई है ना, तो मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उसकी शादी कराना. ये हम लोग विल में नहीं पढ़ते थे, मुझे कितनी वेल्थ मिलेगी, उसको कितनी मिलेगी. We used to take family means not what I get. Family means my responsibility to the family. और ये जो पूरा role in family, unfortunately, many of us have forgotten. Family means really, spiritually, religiously, it means one, is an opportunity in your life to care for others. घर में बड़ा भाई पढ़ाई छोड़ देता है और जॉब करता है so that my younger brother studies. This is a family. अभी a younger brother पढ़ के chartered accountant बन गया, he can't think that I am that great. You could become great because of the support of the elder brother. So our family system always used to be to care for others, responsibility for others, to die for others. ये जहां thinking है, issues are different. मुझे क्या मिला और मेरा क्या right है, जहां पे ये thinking है, issues are different. आप कुछ भी करना है कर लो, issues वहां पे रहने वाले हैं.
Sir, two more questions which are there is, one is how do you build systems in the family business, and second is how do you solve the disputes when they arise in the family business? Do you listen to the elders or do you just do, and how do you solve on those methods? So if you can throw some light on those.
So first number is systems and process. अभी we break down the business into many things. अपने ऑफिस में क्या होता है? So for example, sales system. Inquiry comes, we check whether material is there or not, what is the price, and we give quotation. Now, what should be done before giving the quotation? क्या-क्या check करना चाहिए? That can be a system. Now, when we give the quotation, suppose that person comes for bargaining. Now, when comes for bargaining, should I agree or not? Owner decides. Sometimes he agrees and sometimes he doesn't agree. On what basis? अरे कैपेसिटी खाली पड़ा है, कम रेट में भी दे दो, फुल बुक है, माल, नो नेगोशिएशन. नाउ ही थॉट अबाउट कैपेसिटी. जब सिस्टम बनती है ना तो ये भी डाल देते हैं. अगर आता है तो ऑन व्हाट बेसिस शुड वी डिसाइड? लुक एट द कैपेसिटी, लुक एट द ऑल्टरनेटिव, लुक एट द ऑर्डर, लुक एट वेदर रॉ मटेरियल इज अवेलेबल एंड देन गिव इट. तो ओनर का जो थिंकिंग क्राइटेरिया है उसको कैप्चर करके put down करते हैं. That is how you go on developing system. Every process goes on. In management language, there is a word called driver. Capture the drivers, work on it, and prepare. Now onwards, अपनी company में काम ऐसे होगा. That is called system and process. As far as disputes are concerned, family में dispute होगा तो क्या करोगे? ठीक है ना, चलो आपके बिजनेस में डिस्प्यूट होगा तो क्या करोगे? आपके रिलेशन में डिस्प्यूट होगा तो क्या करोगे? गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड डिस्प्यूट होगा तो क्या करोगे? द क्वेश्चन इज सिंपल. इन एवरीवेयर एल्स यू हैव अ चॉइस टू ब्रेक. इन फैमिली यू डोंट हैव अ चॉइस टू ब्रेक. तो मेरी 2-3 एडवाइस है. एक, इफ यू हैव डिस्प्यूट विद द फादर, accept it. Father is always right. Accept it. The reason I am telling you, all said and done, ये जो old लोग है ना, उनमें कुछ wisdom होता है. They develop some kind of intuitive ability. वो बोलता है इसको उधारी मत देना. Even if you ask him, he cannot explain you, but he has that ability. So one thing is, if there is a dispute with the father, accept the father. Even if opportunity गया, नुकसान हुआ, जो भी हुआ, अपने घर के लिए. And second, still if you want to persist, find a way out. Take help of somebody else to explore a dialogue with father that what are his concerns. Don't try to bulldoze your way. अगर कोई कस्टमर माल लेना ना बोल रहा है ना, तो it does not mean that he is telling you no. What he is telling you is that I am not convinced. So in the house, when there is a dispute between two people, it is not that they are enemies of each other. What they are telling you is that I am not convinced. So either you modify your argument or take help of somebody else. Take help of some neutral person to moderate the discussion. In this sense, some uncle, some chartered accountant, some vice person plays a great role in maintaining balance in the family. A person who has no vested interest, who is our well-wisher, who is wise, who is kind, and who is also forceful. If you can have some such family member, anybody from outside, having such person as a support, as a coach with all of us, who will coach my grandfather also as well as the grandson also, that will be the very lucky family.
Yes, sir. Another question which are coming is on the female participation and how they can take the leadership role in a family business. I don't know like how it works out, because mostly what I see from BNI experience in other places is a woman entrepreneur are getting the fair share and they are leading very good businesses now across families. So what's your view on those?
Let me tell you, there are certain myths. Somewhere, girls or female have a myth that they have some sixth sense and extra power. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. Everyone can do business, male or female. But before doing business, everybody needs to learn about it, male or female. Just because you are female, just because घर का धंधा है, you start going and start coming and giving advice. अरे ये आदमी को निकाल दो, मुझे ठीक नहीं लगता है. ऐसा नहीं होता है. Why is he? What is his contribution? How it is? All that you have to learn. Now the point is, for a long time, in our mindset, family women were kept out of the radar. Actual में घरों में होता क्या था? Husband business से आएंगे, and there will be a drama. What drama? Husband and wife are talking. अभी wife जो भी बोलती है ना, उसमें husband को बिल्कुल interest नहीं है. He pretends as if he is listening. और husband जो बोलता है ना, उसमें wife को interest नहीं है. She is pretending that she is listening. But actually there is no dialogue. Because both of them are into a totally different world. The day family women start getting sensitized about business, the whole relation becomes very different. Family women do not need to go to office every day. That's not required. In fact, men also don't need to go. वो तो ठीक है, कहीं जाना चाहिए उसके लिए ऑफिस जाते हैं. कुछ काम होता नहीं है उतना. Business doesn't mean going to office every day. Business means appreciating the different perspectives, balancing, prioritizing, decision making, and online keeping a tab what is happening. Male or female, both can do it. My suggestion is, first, as far as your children are concerned, groom both son and daughter about business. Every businessman, my suggestion is spend 2 hours in a week in a kind of family meeting where just discuss 1 or 2 issues that we handled in the business. Either the challenge or something important or something that we learned. उसके वहाँ income tax का raid हुआ, उस क्या हुआ, घर में बात करो. It's good for them to learn. A very important person resigned and left. Now what happened? Talk. 2 hours a week. अगर family business घर में discussion होता है ना, धीरे, there is a great induction of the next generation into family business. Coming back specific to women, women need to learn that they are entering into a field for which they need to get to know about the things. They are not inferior, but they are not superior also. So this removing the blocks from the mind and entering into a business as entrepreneur with the willingness to learn, that is what is a good starting point for women in the business.
So the same question on entering the business, what happens is a lot of times our students, when they go in, most of them go and work in the corporates, but when they go and work in the family business, right, as soon as they complete the MBA or the PGDM course, they go and start making some changes and start like, so that induction process for them, how that should be managed, one at the family side, one at their own side, like the candidate side and the family side. Because
see, the point is, when they go and work in the company, they just follow instruction. They can't make any change there. But they have no problem. मुझे placement मिल गया, मैं ये company में, वो company में, वो दुनिया में. enjoying getting a job somewhere, though आपकी कोई नहीं सुनता उधर. But the same person, when he comes into family business, suddenly believes that he is the chief and everybody has to listen to him. This is a mistaken notion. If you are an MBA, good. But what does an MBA teaching you? MBA teaches is learn to learn. Whoever is getting an impression that MBA khatam ho gaya, maine sab seekh liya, we are in a very, very big mistaken impression. MBA just grooms us how to learn from books, how to learn from other businesses, how to learn from peers, how to learn from discussion, how to consult other people, how to explore different things. It is all how to. MBA does not teach you answers. So if you learn about how to learn, go to your family business. And I'm telling to you, everyone who is from family business, who is thinking about a corporate job, is totally mistaken. Of course, they are doing MBA and they have a dream कि भाई मैं कहीं पे ना पहले कुछ बड़ी कंपनी में 2 साल काम करूंगा और फिर मेरे बिजनेस में आऊंगा. अरे भाई, आप 2 साल सिंगापुर में रहे ना, वहां के ट्रैफिक रूल्स सीख के आप जयपुर में आओगे, इंडिया में आओगे, एक चीज इधर काम नहीं आने वाली है. सिंगापुर के रूल सिंगापुर में काम आते हैं. कॉर्पोरेट जॉब ट्रेनिंग कॉर्पोरेट में काम आती है. कॉर्पोरेट ट्रेनिंग अपने फैमिली बिजनेस में काम नहीं आती है. Ideally, if you are from family business, from where do you get this notion of working outside? 4-5 ही ना. पहला नोशन, यार बिजनेस में अभी कुछ रखा नहीं है, बिजनेस में बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स है. अरे कोयले का धंधा है ना, कोयले के धंधे में भी आदमी करोड़ों कमा सकता है. The whole point is business was never about today. Business was always about a dream. Business was always about building something. Your MBA training should give you confidence that I can do it. So everyone who has family business, of course, I'm restricting to this, those who have family business should straight away think about switching the learning from MBA college to their family business and discuss with all those in the family about whatever they have learned in the college. मैं आपको एक simple example देता हूँ. हमारे तो स्टूडेंट फैमिली बिजनेस के होते हैं. हम लोग कॉलेज में सिखाते हैं, बैलेंस शीट इज द स्टेटमेंट दैट गिव्स यू ट्रू एंड फेयर व्यू ऑफ द स्टेट ऑफ अफेयर्स ऑफ द कंपनी एज ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर डेट. मैं तो फाइनेंस का प्रोफेसर हूं ना, बोल दिया. बैलेंस शीट आपको रीड करना आना चाहिए, देन यू विल लर्न हाउ टू अंडरस्टैंड द बिजनेस. ये सीख के MBA लड़का अपने घर में गया, फादर को बोलते हैं बैलेंस शीट दिखाओ. फादर हंसते हैं, बैलेंस शीट में तो क्या देखेगा? अरे आई एम गोइंग टू डू रेशियो एनालिसिस. करो रेशियो एनालिसिस, एवरीथिंग दैट यू विल कम टू इज अ टोटली रॉन्ग. नो, दिस इज वेयर वाज द पॉइंट. इन कॉलेज वी लर्न अबाउट बैलेंस शीट. It was from a particular perspective. When you go to family business, you have to relearn about balance sheet from another perspective. There is no end of knowledge. Every family business is not our destiny. It is our stepping stone. From any grocery store, you can create Walmart. Family business gives you the platform. And family business, you have your one well-wisher, a wise person, a person with proven experience at your back. If you were to start something on your own, you would be alone in the ocean. In family business, you have a good, wise person with you to take care of you and help you to grow further. So my suggestion to anyone with irrespective of whatever is the business, to consider very strongly joining the family business. If you have any specific question about it, not today, anytime in future, you can write to me and maybe I can help you to think through. I'm not going to suggest to you, but I can help you to think through different issues that you should keep in mind.
Right, sir. Kishore sir, you want to ask something? You'll take a question. Please unmute yourself. So, Dr. Richard, till the Kishore sir gets his voice audio worked
Very,
out.
like a burning topic in India. If I talk about Ambani brothers, they have been brought up in the same family, same circumstances. They have seen the same ups and downs. They got divided. One is scaling the skies. So another, and how it happens in the family, like.
So they are talking about Ambani case in which one brother progressed, other did not, and
Correct.
there was a
Not perform well enough. Yeah.
the same teaching.
All respect to you, Samsung grows and Nokia goes down. Why is Nokia going down? We should discuss that also, na?
Yes, sir.
हम लोग अंबानी का डिस्कस करते हैं क्योंकि बहुत ग्लैमराइज्ड है ना. अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग, उनके घर में क्या हो रहा है ना, आपको और मुझको कभी भी पता नहीं चलने वाला है. सेकंड, अंबानीज बिजनेस इज समथिंग सो यूनिक वेयर दे कैन मैनेज एनीथिंग. दुनिया भर में रिफाइनरी घाटा करेगी लेकिन रिलायंस रिफाइनरी प्रॉफिट करेगी. कैसे? उसके पीछे कुछ होता है. तो रिलायंस जैसे फैमिली में ना, हाथी का एग्जांपल एकदम परफेक्ट है. जो बाहर दिखता है वो कुछ और होता है, घर के अंदर कुछ और होता है. सो इट्स बेटर नॉट टू मेक टू मच रीडिंग अबाउट अंबानीज. ऑन द अदर एंड योर प्रीमाइसेस इज ट्रू. सब घर में दो बच्चे साथ में खड़े बड़े होते हैं, बट एक्चुअली two children, boys, girls, two sons, whatever it is, they are likely to be opposing temperament. एक बहुत एग्रेसिव होगा तो दूसरा बहुत कंजर्वेटिव होगा. एक को है ना एजुकेशन में बहुत इंटरेस्ट है, दूसरा खाली टाइम पास करने में इंटरेस्ट है. एक एक्सट्रोवर्ट है तो दूसरा इंट्रोवर्ट है. ये साइंटिफिक रीजन है that two brothers are supposed to have different temperament, and that is why when they work together they make a good team. This is the secret of family business. Now the only point is, once we start understanding and appreciating these values, then we can see there are so many things that is there for us to learn. As far as Mukesh Ambani, Anil Ambani, true. But is it a failure of family or it is a failure of business? Is it a failure of business or is it a change of environment? In management, we talk about PESTLE. And now in PESTLE, political, social, economic, technical, legal, if technological environment changes, ARCOM goes down and Geo goes up. Or incidentally, ये ARCOM किसकी सोच थी? Who was the genius behind starting a company called ARCOM on a CDMA technology? Same Mukesh Ambani. It's the same Mukesh Ambani who thought that CDMA will be path-breaking technology and formed ARCOM. So business में success or failure किसी का भी हो सकता है. And one of the things family business people learn, don't celebrate the fall of anybody. You and me can also fall, but business people are the people who don't mind falling, who have guts to get up again. It is the commentary box people who will talk, अरे नरेश गोयल तो idiot है. 25 साल कंपनी चलाना, एविएशन इंडस्ट्री में खड़ा रहना, ब्रांड बनाना, these are not jokes. Is only naive people who think they can comment about Naresh Goyal. We are students. We have to see what is it that we can learn instead of starting to comment about the other businesses.
Yes, sir. Okay, we'll take one more question, one or two more questions, and then we'll close it up. Sir, Merchant said like a lot of people in the last webinar after you went away, and they were asking about how you have developed the communication skills in terms of storytelling, because you have a lot of stories in your talks and all, and that creates a very good communication way. So how all our entrepreneurs and business owners, they can create their business stories, their family business stories, and work on that like significant story or a signature story. So how they should start developing this kind of skill?
My salutes to people who ask this question, because whatever was happening, you observed something. One, most of the people don't observe, you observed. So that is, you're already 1 out of 100. Having observed, to ask about it, आप तो लाखों में एक हो गए. So many people observe but keep quiet. The fact that you observed and asked about it is a great thing. Well, my answer is this. I am a teacher. I thought about what is the business that my job. Last time मैंने बताया था ना, दूसरों का दुख दूर करने में अपना कल्याण है. तो मेरे कस्टमर कौन है? My thing is students. एक बार मेरे क्लास में स्टूडेंट्स वर नॉट पेइंग अटेंशन, सो आई वेंट टू डीन एंड कंप्लेन, इनको है ना पढ़ने में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. तो मेरे डीन ने मुझे बताया था उस टाइम, whoever are the students are given the fact that they are not paying attention, it means that you are not able to retain attention. So how do you develop yourself so that you can retain the attention? So this is one. I learned about business and I am applying it in my, what problem am I trying to solve? Now the problem that my audience used to have is, they were never interested in studies. एक टिपिकल लोग एमबीए क्यों करते हैं? मैं तो पिछले 25 साल से हूँ. एसपी जैन में हमारे यहाँ जो स्टूडेंट आते हैं ना, सीधा डील कर देते हैं. सर प्लेसमेंट अभी दे दो, फीस मैं अभी दे देता हूँ, चलो ना खत्म करो, 2 साल का झमेला क्यों करना है? तो होल ऑब्जेक्टिव वाज नेवर अबाउट लर्निंग. द होल ऑब्जेक्टिव वाज अबाउट जॉब. When this is the whole kind of thing, whatever you do, you can't teach. But if I can help them do another object, भाई जॉब तो आज आपको मिल जाएगी. Last time I saw some of the question about IIMs and all these things. What is the difference between IIM and SP Jain or IIM and Taxila? Really speaking, there is no difference. The difference is only in the first job. Some person from IIM may get first placement at some level. From some other college, he may placement at some other level. The real thing will start on your performance on the thing. You know the story of 2 salesmen, both going to Africa. One person replies, here nobody wears the shoes, so no market. Another person replies, here nobody wears the shoes, so is a great market. Same situation में आप कैसे अलग handle करते हो? So what I needed was to develop this ability in my students, in the people, to see how whatever they are learning is relevant to whatever they want to do. Third thing becomes very important is, unfortunately, last 27 years I am in MBA education. हमारा तो MBA education का वाट लग गया. All that we wanted was to develop confidence in people. सारे दुनिया जीत लेंगे. उससे उल्टा हो गया. Confident आदमी भी आके SP Jain इंस्टीट्यूट में फर्स्ट डे से सवाल क्या है? सर हमको जॉब मिलेगी ना? अरे you are in a college where placements are acknowledged in the world. फिर भी MBA learning means day 1 till the date of placement, जॉब मिलेगी कि नहीं, बस वही. Tremendous lack of confidence. और फिर जॉब में भी तो क्या हालत खराब हो जाती है. प्लेसमेंट चलता है, कंपनी वाले हो, स्टूडेंट सब टाई सूट में आ जाते हैं, क्या एक्साइटमेंट है कैंपस में. एक स्टूडेंट जाता है अंदर इंटरव्यू के लिए, बाकी के नर्वसली बाहर पेश करते हैं, क्या होगा क्या होगा क्या होगा. बाहर आता है खुश, मजा आ गया, क्या डन, जॉब डन. क्या पैकेज? 8 लाख. वेल डन ब्रो, सेलिब्रेट, ये सब हो गया. दूसरा अंदर गया, अभी दूसरा अंदर गया, बाहर वापस सेम एक्साइटमेंट, अभी बाहर आ गया, गुड डन, क्या सिलेक्टेड, क्या पैकेज? 10 लाख. क्या हुआ? अभी इमीडिएटली जो फर्स्ट था ना, उसका एक्साइटमेंट गया. मुझे जॉब मिलती है ना, अभी उसका एक्साइटमेंट नहीं है. दूसरे को मेरे से ज्यादा मिली ना, उसका ही एक्साइटमेंट है. So we thought we were creating managers who will be taking on the world, changing, suddenly became the minimalist. जॉब मिलेगी कि नहीं. We thought we'll pick people with courage. अरे यार दाल रोटी तो कभी भी मिल जाएगी, मैं चैलेंजिंग जॉब लूंगा. उसके बदले में everybody wants easiest job, जहां पे कुछ काम ही नहीं करना पड़े. So this is where is the whole idea. Really speaking, we need to recognize that each one of us have ability. IIM का प्रॉब्लम क्या है? वहां पे सीट कम है, and they've definitely kept artificially short supply, तभी उसका प्रीमियम है. But they also learn Porter, and you and me also learn Porter. The difference is if we develop that confidence in ourselves, himmat and conviction. We are not arrogant. We are not superior than anybody else in the world, but we are not inferior also. ये एक humility but confidence is a very important ability. So anyway, for all MBA students, this is good. This was my job. I wanted to cultivate. And then I realized what are the best way. I'll tell you, I will watch replay again and again a shot of Dilip Kumar. अभी दिलीप कुमार का क्या यूनिक था, that this guy once upon a time 50 साल पहले एक्टिंग करता था, और जब 50 साल पहले एक्टिंग करते थे ना, तो ये कैमरा मल्टी कैमरा नहीं हो सकता था, तो कैमरा उसके फेस पे है ना 5 मिनट तक उसके फेस पे ही रहेगा। अभी आज की तारीख में 1 मिनट भी फेस पे नहीं रहता है, इट गोज ऑन चेंजिंग एंड दैट इज व्हाई वी आर सो मच यूज्ड टू दिस चेंजिंग कि आज का यंग जनरेशन अगर दिलीप कुमार का मूवी देखेगा ना तो उसको इतना स्लो मोशन लगेगा। बट द रियल लर्निंग इज दिस, दिलीप कुमार हैड टू लर्न टू एक्ट, express the face, change the modulation, movement of the hand, because for that 5 minutes he had to grab the attention. So because my job is to teach, I will see this again and again and again, that how does he communicate. Bagban naam ka movie, everybody saw, I also saw, but for me the challenge was, Amitabh gives a talk, such a long talk. How can he give such a long talk and still hold the attention? It means for me, teaching whatever I do, I have to improve, I have to develop, and I will keep paying attention to who is doing what, and what is the better way, I will improve. So whoever asked me the question, I'm very, very delighted that you asked the question. It's a good thing that you observed, is the outcome of a lot of work. Today I'm 60, and at 60, I believe it is a beginning of new 30. For us, learning is all the time. I started my PhD studies at the age of 50 and completed it at the age of 58. Learning is always good for all of us.
Thank you. Kishore sir, you want any last minute comment or we'll close it up?
Close it now. Probably we have done almost half an hour more than the schedule.
So Dr. Merchant, thank you very much for the wonderful session and the learnings which we had today, and we'll take it forward, and we'll have continued relationship with you and working with you on different fields. We'll connect with you again. Thank you.
Thank you. All the best to all the participants.